what up, guys? This is Black Stunner, the numero uno, and of course, you are welcome to the Beat O2 channel. Whoa, I'm so excited today because we finally meet again, right? Yeah, the last time we actually met, it was a drum kit I released a couple of days ago. Yes, it had a couple of good reviews. I really enjoyed it, and I want to say a very big thank you to everybody that actually had the time to to check out this dope drum kit and also download it. Right, this is my first drum kit as well, but trust me, it is good. It is what you need for your trap beat, instrumental, or any other beats you really want to make. Right, this drum kit is the best for you. And today we are doing an old school type of beat. Yeah, we are doing an old school type of beat. Now, in the last videos, aside the drum kit video, right, in the last two videos I shared, we actually looked at making an Afro beat instrumental and a dancehall beat instrumental, right? Well, today we are doing an old school type of beat, and it is hip hop. Obviously, yeah, it's hip hop. So I'm not gonna waste your time. Before anything else, just remember to subscribe to the channel, the Beat O2 channel, and also hit the notification bell just in case I release any other video. You'll be the first person to find out. Okay, so you don't miss anything, any video I drop. You don't miss anything. Yeah. So before we jump into straight business, just listen to a portion of the beat. Yes, I want you guys to listen to a portion of the beat we're going to be looking at today. All right, I'll be back. So there you have it with this beat, a very good beat right here. Yeah, so let's just jump straight into getting to know the instruments and then sounds actually used in making this particular beat, right? The first thing we are going to check out is obviously the drums, right? We're going to check out the drums, and the first sound we want to check out in the drums is the kick, of course, the kick. So let's listen to this. Exactly, so that was the kick pattern. Yeah, so from that, no wait, before I move on to the next sound, now if you would watch this page very well, very carefully, you realize that this first note next to the second one has been reduced down. I mean, its velocity has been reduced down just to create some sort of difference in it. Just not just a big deal. It's not a big deal, but hey, it's worth it, right? So the next sound we want to check out is the open hats. Now the open hats is just this type of old school open hats. All right, let's check it out. Yeah, so there you go with the open hat. The next sound we want to check out is a second open hat. Actually did not use in when arranging the beat. I actually did not use it, but I think we should give it a fair listen. So let's check this out. Yep, so that was the second open hat. The next sound we want to look at is the hi-hat. Right now, this hi-hat is an old school type of hi-hat, right? And it has been laid. I mean, its pattern has been laid basically just like we are making a normal hip-hop beat. The only thing different about this particular hi-hat is these notes right under them. Right now you can see these notes under them. Now the next thing is its velocity has been reduced way down, right? I mean, these notes under these top notes, the notes under these top notes has its velocity reduced down, like way down, right? Now this is just some sort of delay effect or delay filling, not necessarily giving it a delay effect, but it just has that delay, filling in it, right? So let's just listen to it. I'm sure you would understand it better if you listen to this. Right, so as you can see, these lower notes, right, gives the whole hi-hat that delay filling, just because its velocities has been reduced down, right? It gives it that delay filling, you understand? Not necessarily giving it a delay effect, but just that it gives it that feeling. Right, so the next sound we want to check out is the snare. Yeah, the snare is just a basic snare, but let's check it out. Right, so that was your snare. So I think we are done with the drums. Right, we are done with the drums. The next group of sounds we want to have to check out are the melodies, right? With the melody, the first instrument we have right here is a piano instrument we have from the Hypersonic plugin. Now, just a simple chord progression, no big deal, nothing serious going on here. It's just a simple chord progression. So let's take a listen to this. So that is it, a simple chord progression right there. Nothing complicated, nothing serious, just a simple thing. The next instrument we are going to be looking at is the bass line. So now this is very important. Now the bass line in an old school beat is actually the whole beat. You understand? I'm not saying it is the beat, like necessarily it is the beat, no. But what I'm saying is that it gives that beat, it gives the beat that groove that makes you want to nod your head, that groove that makes you want to tap your feet. You understand? That groove that makes you want to dance to the beat. That is what the bass line does. So let's take a listen to this bass line of mine and how it actually sounds. So that is it with the bass line. You can see, so simple and catchy, but yes, once you played together with the whole other instruments, you get to understand better why I say it is the whole beat, right? So let's move on to the next instrument. Now the next instrument we have here is another piano instrument, this time from the Nexus plugin. So let's check it out. Yeah, so you can really see that this piano has the same chord progression as the first melody I played. Yeah, this particular one, it has the same chord progression. The only difference is that it has been chopped. That is the only difference. Nothing serious. I just wanted to keep everything simple and basic. All right, nothing serious in it. So the next final sound we want to check out is this vocal effect. Yes, I think I'll call it a vocal effect. You know what, just listen to this. Yeah, so there you go with this vocal sound or effects or whatever you want to call it. Yep, so I think we are done with the instruments, the instruments and then the sounds I used in making this particular old school type of beat. So having heard that, I think it is time to actually put everything together and then hear how it sounds, right? I hope you're ready. Yes, now before I play this whole beat, I want you to also notice something, right? Now if you can remember, I said that I always like to use wave files, mostly sound effects in my beats, just to create drama, some action and drama, give it a different feeling. Sometimes just use it as a form of a transition in my beats. Now I'm going to show you an example. Now this particular wave file you see right here is a transition. All right, I'm going to play it just so you understand what I mean. Exactly, so that is a transition, right? A drum roll, a transition, and that is a crash right there. So that is what I actually mean. So having said that, I think it is time to listen to the full beats. All right, let's listen to the full beats, and then I'll be right back. So there you go. This is the beat, right? Very good, groovy beats right here. And this is where I'm gonna end today's tutorial, right? This is where I'm gonna end today's tutorial. It has been fun, it has been exciting, it has been educative for me. I don't know of you. Otherwise, just let me know in the comment section below if you have any ideas, if you have any tips, any recommendations, whatever it is you think if contributed can improve or can help, improve on my videos and tutorials. Just let me know in the comment section below, right? I'm here for you, and I'm sure you are there for me as well, right? All right, so like I said, this is where we are going to end it. Remember to subscribe to the Beat 02 channel and also hit that notification bell, okay, just in case I release a video, so that you won't miss anything. All right, this is where this whole video today. Remember, the Wolf drum kit is still currently available, and it is for free, right? Absolutely free. And so if you haven't downloaded it yet, I'm going to drop a link to it in the comment section below. I'm going to add a link to this video so that you can go ahead and download it. All right, so until we meet again, remember, stay safe. It has been Beat 02 with your boy Black Stunner numero uno. I'm out.